COSORI TurboBlaze showing E01 or E21. Here's what it means and what to do. If your TurboBlaze air fryer flashes E01 or E21 and won't start, it means the machine can't detect the internal temperature sensor. This usually points to a loose connection, damaged wire, or faulty probe. Here's what to try before calling support. Step 1. Unplug and let it cool down fully. Turn the unit off and unplug it. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If the fryer was just used or moved, the sensor connection could have been momentarily interrupted by heat or vibration. Step 2. Reseat the basket and inspect for alignment issues. Remove the basket completely and look at the tracks and contact points inside. If the basket isn't seated all the way, the fryer may not detect that it's safe to begin. Slide it back in slowly and firmly until you hear a soft click. Step 3. Clean and inspect the heating coil area. A clogged heating cavity can lead to incorrect readings. Once the unit is cool, gently wipe around the coil with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. I use a flexible detail brush for this. It's safe for non-stick and small enough to reach behind the element. Links below. Step 4. Test a different outlet. Plug the fryer into a new outlet, ideally one without any surge protector or extension cord. A weak or inconsistent power signal can trigger sensor faults on startup. If E01 or E21 still comes back after those steps, the temperature sensor may be damaged or disconnected internally. In that case, contact COSORI support directly using the link in the description. If this helped you get the fryer working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need a soft brush to clean safely around the coil, I've linked the one I use below. Flexible, non-scratch, and just the right size. Thanks for watching, and keep it running smooth.